Bernard used an electric metronome to help him keep time to a guitar piece he was learning to play. He played a moderate tempo, okay, a moderate tempo for 4.5 minutes, and a fast tempo for 30 seconds. Bernard played a total of 620 beats on the metronome. The rate for the metronome tempo was 40 beats per minute less than the rate for the fast tempo. What was the rate in beats per minute for each tempo? All right, so this one is very wordy, right? We got lots going on here. First off, it's just kind of a little bit tough figuring out what is it we're actually even looking for here, right? So we want the rate in beats per minute, right? So we want that moderate tempo. So let's call that moderate tempo M, right? That's going to be our first variable. And that's going to be in beats per minute, right? How fast is it beating, okay? And then the other one, the fast tempo, we'll call that F. Okay, so that'll be our fast tempo. Now, let's look at the first one to make an equation. So it says he played a moderate tempo for 4.5 minutes and a fast tempo for 30 seconds. You know, just because our answer is going to be in beats per minute, why don't we change this 30 seconds into 0.5 minutes? Okay, just so we're a bit more on the same track here. So if that's true, what I should be able to say then is that, okay, so we have this moderate tempo, so M. So that, let's say for a second, that was like 50 beats per minute, just so we can get our bearings here. 50 beats per minute, If I multiplied that by 4.5 minutes, right? 4.5 minutes. Can you see that the units would cancel there, and I'd end up with just beats? Which kind of makes sense, right? If I'm going at 50 beats per minute and I do that for 4.5 minutes, then that is going to tell me how many beats I actually did in 4.5 minutes. Okay? But we don't know that this is 50, right? We just know that it's M right now. But I think that'll help get our bearings here. So we're going to have M, right? The moderate tempo times 4.5 minutes, right? So times 4.5. I'm going to do the other way around. I'll write 4.5 M. So 4.5 times M. So however many beats that was, right? I'm going to add that to the number of beats for the fast tempo. So that would be 0.5 minutes times not M, times F, right? Whatever that tempo was. Okay, so that's going to be how many beats happen for the fast tempo. And we do know that all of that is equal to 620 beats in the end. Okay, so there's our first equation, right? Now the second equation, now that we kind of have our bearings on what we're even looking for, isn't actually that bad. So now what we're doing, we're going to look for, what does it say? The rate for the moderate tempo was 40 beats per minute less than the rate for the fast tempo. All right, so the moderate tempo, so M, was 40 beats per minute less than the fast. So it would be whatever the fast was and then minus 40. All right, so we got our two equations set up. So we're doing the elimination method in this one. So let's get these to the same side. So I'm just going to bring this F over to that side. Okay, so doing that, why don't we just write the top again, so there we have one over the other. So I'll have 4.5 M plus 0.5 F is equal to 620. Okay, and then bringing that F to this side by just subtracting F from both sides, we're going to have M minus F is equal to 40. Is equal to negative 40, sorry. Okay, so now what are we going to do here to eliminate something? Well, I think the easiest thing we could do is probably, if this is 0.5 right now, what if we multiplied everything on there by 2? Right? Shouldn't that work? Because if I multiplied this by 2, that gets me to 1, which will be perfect for my F. And then I can cancel those guys. So let's do that. So now we'll write it down one more row here. So we're going to have 2 times all these things. So 2 times 4.5 is 9, which is nice too. Now we're done with that decimal. So 9M plus 1F, or just F now, is equal to, and then 620 times 2 is going to be 1240. Okay, so there you go. That's the first one. Now I'll just write the bottom one again, now again. Again, now again. So that'll be m minus f is equal to negative 40. All right, so now what should I do? So should I subtract? Should I add? Well, I'm going to add because it's already set up nice. That's minus f. So if I go f plus negative f, or f minus f, then that's going to cancel my f's. So good to go. So now we've got 9m plus 1m is 10m. And then f minus f is 0, so plus 0, but really I just know it's gone, is equal to, and then 1240 minus 40 is 1200. Okay, so then I really have 10m is equal to 1200, and then just divide both sides by 10. So divide by 10, divide by 10. So then m would be equal to 120 beats per minute. Okay, now almost done. So that's the first part. Now the second part, I need to find f, which I think I'm just going to use this equation, right, or that one there, yeah, because it's pretty close already. So now we'd have m minus f is equal to negative 40. Actually, sorry. You know what? That's fine. I probably should just start with the original though too, right? I could have started with m is equal to f. I'll do that. We got just the original. It wouldn't have mattered. You could have done it the other way too, but we've got m is equal to f minus 40. And now I'll just add 40 to both sides. So plus 40 plus 40. So I got m plus 40 is equal to f. So then m is 120. So this is 120 plus 40 is equal to f. So this is 160 beats per minute is equal to f.